In this video, I'll walk you through how to trade futures in the BTCC app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app right here, we can now go to the futures trading by simply going down here to trade. Then right here in the middle, we can directly see how much capital we have in our futures account. If you don't have any in here, simply click on this plus and make sure to transfer it to your futures account. And if you don't have any money yet on your BTCC account, just go down here to assets, choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, click on deposit, and then you can easily send crypto here. If you need more help with that, I have many more tutorials on my channel where I show you how you can easily deposit money on BTCC. Alright, so next up I want to show you how you can use the trading platform. First of all, I want to show you everything we can see right here. In the top left, we can choose the trading pair. So if you just tap on that, you can see we can choose which coin we want to trade. In this case, I'm going to stick with Bitcoin for now. On the right side with this button, we can view the price chart in here, where we can also choose different time frames up here. So you can always see what the price chart is doing. If we go back, on the left side, we have this control center where we can control our trades. We can open, close, choose the order type, set the position size, add a take profit and stop loss, and eventually go long or short. And on the right side, we have our order book. If you scroll down a little bit, right here below it, we can see our open positions later on when we open our first trade, as well as your open orders and your history. All right, so let's actually open our first trade. If we just first click on this right here, we can choose our leverage. So in this case, let's go with the 20x leverage just for demonstration. Click on confirm, and then we have that all set up in here. Next, we're going to choose the order type. Let's go with a market order for now to execute it immediately. And next up, we can choose our position size. We can choose between BTC or USDT. I personally prefer USDT because now I can say I want to open a 1,000, let's go with $300 position size. And we can also directly see, all right, that means that we are using round about $34 of our own capital for this trade, because the $34 times the 20x leverage would equal an entire position size of $1,300. All right, next up, we can also set a take profit and stop loss. If you just click on that right here, we can easily type in any prices. Let's say our take profit should be at $70,000 and our stop loss at $68,000. Let's confirm that, choose full position and open our long trade in here, confirm, and then you can see we are directly in our trade. If we scroll down a bit, we can see everything right here. It's a Bitcoin trade, it's a long trade with a 20x leverage, which is of course pretty high right now, but I wanted to show you everything. We can see our open profit in here in dollars and as a percentage. Down below, we can see the position size in BTC and in US dollars down here. Right next to it, we can also see our margin, which is our own capital in this trade, the $34. And we can see the average price where we opened the trade, the current price, and the liquidation price. To prevent yourself from getting liquidated, we of course can place a stop loss beforehand, which we already did. We can also see that down here. If you just click on that, you can see under all position, we can see at $70,000, there's our take profit right here. If you go to edit, we can also edit these numbers and we can see, okay, we would make $15 of a profit at that price. And if we go back to our stop loss, of course, we can also see in here, okay, we would lose $4 at that price. And we can also change that up in here pretty easily by just choosing, okay, let's say I only want to lose a maximum of $19, confirm. Now we've placed it to a new position and you can easily edit them at here. Or of course, also cancel them or cancel all orders in here. And then if you want at any time, place new ones right here. All right, so next up, I also want to show you how you can increase and decrease your position size. To increase it, simply go back up in here and do as if you would open a new trade. Let's say I want to add another $700 to this trade right here. I can simply do that by just setting it up in here. Click on open long, confirm that, and then you'll see we've now doubled our position size to $1,300, 0.02 BTC now, and also our margin has doubled to almost $70. To do the reverse, so to decrease your position size, simply go down here to close. Choose how much percent you want to close. In this case, I want to close half of it. So 0.01 BTC. We are also taking some partial profits of our open trade. And then if you click on confirm right here, you will see we've now decreased it back to 0.01, which equals around $700 position size. And of course, also our margin is back down again. You can also, by the way, edit your leverage anytime. Just click on here and then you can just easily increase or decrease the leverage to your liking. Of course, the higher of a leverage you use, the less margin is needed in this trade, but of course, the closer your liquidation price will be. And vice versa, if you just reduce your leverage, the more you reduce it, the more capital you need to keep in your trade as margin to keep the same position size possible in this trade. All right, so lastly, I also want to show you how you can close your entire trade. Simply click on close down here, choose 100%, confirm, and then you're also out of your trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.